Hello, we're going to start this beginning guitar lesson by getting our guitars in tune. So there are 6 strings on the guitar, and the thickest string is the lowest sounding string, the one closest to your face, or the one towards the top. But that's the 6th string, not the 1st. So we'll do it 6th, and then 5th string, and so on down. So I'll be starting with the low E string, the 6th string. I'll play each one 3 times to give you time to tune up your guitar so that it matches mine. Okay, here's the 6th string, the E string. Okay, the next one is A, also called the 5th string. Next is the 4th string, D. And then the 3rd string, G. Next is the B string, the 2nd string. And the 1st string, also called E, high E. Okay, all in tune? Okay, now we're going to be talking about strumming. And you can either use a pick or your thumb, which that's what I'm going to do, use my thumb. On the song we'll be doing, I'm going to strum the 4 strings starting from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 strings, like that. The chord we'll be using, the G chord, we're only going to be playing 4 strings, so do not strum the 2 at the top, only the 4 at the bottom. And the chord we'll be using on this song is called the G chord. So, with your left hand, let's talk about the fingers. In guitar, on the left hand, you don't count your thumb, so your pointer finger is number 1 and 2, 3, and little finger's number 4. So find your 3rd finger, or your ring finger, and then you're going to press down the 1st string at the 3rd fret. Don't be on top of the fret, but right next to it. So that string now will sound like this. Be sure to press hard enough so that it sounds very clear, like that. Then when you play all 4 strings, like I showed you, it'll sound like this. And that's the only chord you need for this song. So I'm going to strum 4 times and then start to sing. And the starting note for singing is the open 3rd string. The 3rd string is the G string. Count from the bottom up. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to sing it there because I like that lower register for my voice. You might like to sing it higher up here. Ooh, that's a little high for me, but for you it might be fine. But I'm going to sing it here. Okay, here's my G chord, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, and here we go. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. And before we stop, I'd like to also play it strumming twice as fast, like this. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. So we've talked about strumming with either a pick or with your thumb. We've talked about the fingers of the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't count your thumb. And we've played together our first song, Are You Sleeping? So you can play this over and over as many times as you need to practice. Have fun playing!